why and when we have to use microinverters. Microinverters are connected directly to a solar panel, and they have a direct AC output, 230 volts directly connected to the mains voltage. They don't have any external parts, they don't have access to any communication ports. It's a sealed unit, fully waterproof. Why you need a microinverter? When you have a small number of panels, the best way to optimize the performance of your system is to use microinverters, because they have individual maximum power point trackers, MPPT controllers, in other words. Again, if you have a solar installation with different orientations, you have panels facing east, west and south, or the inclination between the panels is not identical, then you need individual controllers to maximize the performance. Microinverters can generate up to 30% additional electricity, extra electricity, compared to the ordinary string inverters. This is the entry model, only 600 watts, but with 600 and up to 800 watts, you are now free to install solar panels without the permission of your electricity supplier. All you need is an MCS certified G98, depends on your country. You need an approved product, but you don't need the permission to make the installation. You can do it at home. It's plug and play. The next model is now 1 kilowatt, and it has two independent MPPT controllers. So that means you can connect two solar panels, and the output is approximately 4.5 amps, 230 volts. A nice solid device without any moving parts, no access to the ports. It's all sealed and safe to use, very safe to use. And as I said, it is waterproof. And the last one, if you have 4 panels or up to 4 panels, you get this microinverter. It's still a microinverter compared to the size of a string inverter at 2000 watts. This is 2 kilowatts. It's still a very compact device, quite slim. It has 4 MPPT ports, so 4 solar panels. Imagine you can put between 400 to 500 watt panel on each port, and you get 9 amps at the output, 9.2 amps at 230 volts. So this is one of the largest microinverters in the market, and you can deploy multiple microinverters in parallel, feeding the same property, the same household. Even if they have their own MPPT controllers, at the output all the microinverters can be connected together to form a larger system. Thank you for watching my video. Let me know if you have any comments.